Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have two 6 by 6 inch ceramic tiles I'm going to be working with, and I've taped off just the backs of them. The sides I have put along with the top, I've put a thin layer of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and again I've covered the sides a little bit. And I'm going to do Dutch pours on these two tiles. And at first I thought I would do matching tiles, but then decided, nope, I'm going to switch it up a little bit and put two different color palettes. So the first one I'm going to go with blues and green. And my colors are Marina, DecoArt Metallic Ice Blue, DecoArt Metallic Crystal Green, and the Flow Acrylic White Paint. The second tile, I'm going to be using a paint I mixed up last week that was a medium pink, and then I added white to it. The second one is the Alzarin Crimson Hue, and the DecoArt Metallic Worn Penny. And again, I'll be using the white paint also. So let's get started. I'll move the second tile out of the way. And if you want to see an artist who does fabulous work with these Dutch pours, it's Rinske Dauna. And so I would check her out if you like this technique of painting. My consistency today, not really even a trace. It's a pretty thin paint. You don't need a whole lot of paint for these Dutch pours because you're going to be blowing the paint with a blow dryer. I do not have any silicone in my paint today. I just used 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. I used some squirt of GAC 800, and I don't believe I needed to thin anything with water. Now I'm just putting a layer of white around my colored paint here. And I'm going to be using my blow dryer. And you want to use it on the cool setting. And I will try to start with the high, but I may have to turn it down to the low. You just want to get the paint over the top of the white paint over the top of the colored paint. And then you want to slowly spread it out. Okay, I'm going to torch this a little bit. We are getting a few cells coming up. Then I'm going to actually blow it by mouth here a little bit. I do like the composition of that one. The blues and greens go very well together. I'm going to torch again. See if I get anything else up. Very nice. Okay, let's work on the second tile. I think I'll start with my crimson color here. And then I'm going to try the worn penny on it next. Follow it up with this lighter pink color. And I don't think I'm going to add any white into that one. Just put the white around it to blow it up onto the paint like I did the last one. Okay, again, you want it on your cool setting. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch here. Really nice cells coming up here in the middle area here. I'm going to mouth blow it a little bit. I think by mouth blowing it, you give it a little bit more depth of the paint that's underneath. Okay, I'm going to torch the second one again. And I'm going to bring you down for a better view. Here's that blue of the blues and the green one. You can see the some cells in there. And here's the pink one with the copper penny in there. I think those cells are so pretty in there. Very pretty. So what do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be aware of the next time that I post a new video. And this is Deb. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Bye.